Right guys, we're back with another video, and today we're playing Minecraft again. So yes, it's night time. I've got 2 wool. I need just one more. I don't know why I'm going there. Where was that spider? I saw a spider. Spider, come on. Okay. Oh, zombie, okay. Come on. You're dead. Oh, Jesus. Wrong way. Look up. Okay, this is bad. This is bad. Okay, I'm about to die. And, right guys, so, I just got blown up by that creeper. I do want to go and get my stuff, so that's what I will do. Where's the hole that I died in? Oh Jesus, what was that? Okay, it was a thingy. Here it is. Oh, where's my wool? Where is it? I need the wool. It's the only thing I want. Oh, come on, do I have to get that? Right, let's just... What's in here? Is there anything in that chest? Nothing. Well, there's stuff, but like... Right, oh, on my sword? Where's my sword? God damn it. Okay. Right, I'm gonna go make another sword, so... Oh, you're pressing wrong. Right, and some sticks. Right, I am going to, mine up this, and take it downstairs, because, well, downstairs, underground, whatever. Right, right, and then, oh, we need to dig this a bit more, don't we? I'm just gonna, jeez, I will get, my pick, oh, this doesn't have much, I can make thingy from it, can't I? I can make a pickaxe as well, hopefully. Right, here. Right, 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 I can make that, can't I? And then, would I be able to, oh, right, I will need, oh, I can just use this, can't I? To get, thing. Right, I can just get some stone from here. Right, is it do yet? No. Right, anyway, now I can make a sword and just wait for day. Alright, I'm gonna go and put everything else except the sword in the chest up here. Oh, I needed that wool, that's really bad. Right, that's, I don't need them, but I'll put them there anyway. Now what's loading? Hopefully nothing that we don't need. Right. Oh Jesus, there's something there. Right. I just want to kill something that's a sheep. So I want oil. Badly. Sheepy! Or I can kill this zombie villager. Wow. Wow. Okay. Alright, come on then. Yes. Not now. Okay. I have no idea where there's going to be sheep. Is that one? No. Skeleton. Skeletons do give you bones, but I don't need bones. But I can do it for the XP if I don't die, which I probably will die. And there's a sheep there. Thank you, masters. Okay, okay. Bye, skeleton. Bye. You die. You burn, skeleton. Burn, it's day. Burn. Burn until you die. Dang it. Just burn, you damn skeleton. Burn. Okay, okay. There's a sheep. Over here. I need to get it. Right, sheep. Sharp. Yes, yes. Come on here. Come on. Just give me something. Give me something good. Wow. Nice. Oh my god. The wool's there. The wool's there. Okay, that's good. But I don't really like dying, so. Anyway, though. The skeleton should be dead. Because. It's day. But I need. Hey, you should die, sucker. Run! Just run, get my stuff, and go. That's all I need. That's all I need. Okay. Mr. Zombie, I hate you, okay? You're horrible. Oh, hi. Hi. Hi, Pam. Okay, okay. Dad. Yeah, I can get leather armor. Well, I probably actually won't be able to get it with just that, but... I want to be on 4. Oh my god, why are you there? No, no, no. Yes, don't kill me. If you kill me, you're gonna die. If that makes sense. That doesn't make sense, because I'd be dead, so I can't kill him. But you're gonna die because of the flipping light. Ow, I've switched on now. Right. Okay. Okay, firstly, I'm gonna take this and put this in. Okay. Okay, that goes there. That goes there. I don't need any of that, so I can stay. Let's advance. Oh my god. Oh, jeez. Pig, you scared me. Pig, you stay alive, okay? I will never kill a pig. I probably will, but I'll try not to kill a pig. Water. Okay. Coal. Okay. Zombie. Dead. Dead. Skeleton should be dead. No sheep, no. I just want a sheep to kill, and I want 2 wool from it, so I cannot make shears. Or can I? No, I can't. Oh Jesus, what just hit me? You son of a gun of a gun of a... Jesus. No, he's got armor as well. Jesus, run. Run. Run, you actual... Jesus. Like, watch. Watch this. When I respawn... Oh, see? He's right there. You have to be there, don't you? Don't you, son? No, die, 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 die. Oh my god. I hate these things. Jesus, 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 where are you? Where are you, you... Wait, okay. Okay, run. Jesus. Jesus, you're so fast, and this computer's so not fast. Okay. Jesus. Jeez. Does this have to happen? Does it have to happen? Okay. Jeez. You should die, son, huh? Just get your helmet off. Die. Okay, that. Look how much damage he does as well. Like. No, run. You will die. I will lead you into lava. But there's no lava. Okay. Just great. Watch this. I give up. Respawn me. Respawn me somewhere else. Run. Ah, I lost you, sucker. I need to eat one. I can't eat. Right, sucker, where are you? Have we lost him? Oh my god, he's right there. He's right there. Just give me my flipping swords and I will... Okay. I hate this actual mouse pad as well, because it's like... Where is everything? Okay. I'm here, come and get me, son. Oh my god, he's right there. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Die. Oh, I hate this. I actually hate this. Right. Mister, you dead, huh? You dead. You die. Right, you die, huh? Oh, you can't get me. Okay, I know what to do. I just want mud. Give me mud. I know what to do. I know how to kill this dude. Come on, just give me mud. No! He's right there, come on. At least I got my sword. No, you die. Yes! That took ages. Right. Okay, right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. Yeah, see you in the next one. Bye. I need to go sleep. Right, guys, yeah, hope you enjoyed.